if you look at the common thread across Policybazaar, the names that you mentioned, right? Policybazaar, Echo, let's just
Mm.
find what is the common lens of the problem they've solved.
Okay.
Uh, at the end of the day, all of them collectively will agree on these three aspects. The experience of buying insurance itself. How do
Mm.
you embed the trust factor within that buying journey itself? That's each has had their own
Mm.
ways of building it around, but that's largely the subject that they've attended to in the first place. Second part that they've kind of done really well, all of the new age ones, is getting people into a habit of comparison, which is more aided 360 degrees and less
Mm.
linear towards pricing alone. Because let's be honest, insurance is one of the most price sensitive retail product categories in the country. For
Yeah.
a very long part, for a very long time, insurance transactions have been very, and insurance conversations on the purchase side have been very price sensitive only. It's always,
Mm.
I've seen that transition happen in person where, it used to be just premium, premium, premium. Now customers themselves are asking for add-ons, and that's the third part that they've been able
Yeah.
to solve, you know, bringing the whole
Mm.
wholesome protection picture into play. It always existed.
Sure.
Add-ons were always there. Look, we're talking about a 5-6 decade plus old industry. They were always add-ons.
Mm.
But the maturity in understanding the awareness, in understanding what does that really imply, how does that impact me as an end
Mm.
user, right? There was always an engine protect cover for car insurance. There was always a tire cover. But it's only when the claim happens, the moment of truth comes in at the time of claims. And that's where, as
Yeah.
the claim volumes have grown over the years, as maturity in car owners or in, and I say this specifically from a car insurance lens as an example, that as the user
Sure.
maturity
Yeah.
comes in, awareness becomes easier. So you have lesser preaching to do, more practicality to show. And I believe that's what most of the new age players have been able to do successfully.